I'm HVAC Repair Guy. After 17 years as an installer, technician, and Navy nuclear electrical operator, I've worked on pretty much every system out there. Today we are looking at two mid-tier, two-stage heat pumps to see which one makes the most sense for your home. The Payne PH8TAN5 and the Goodman GLZT7C. Starting with build quality and cabinet design, there is a clear difference in how these two protect their coils. The Payne PH8TAN5 uses a tight wire grill setup. It keeps the unit open for easy coil cleaning, but it leaves those aluminum coil fins vulnerable to hail, flying lawnmower gravel, or stray sports balls. On the flip side, the Goodman GLZT7C comes with full steel louvered panels wrapped around the cabinet. Those heavy louvers take a beating without damaging the delicate fins underneath, which gives the Goodman a real advantage when it comes to long-term exterior protection. When we look at heating efficiency, performance is measured by the Heating Seasonal Performance Factor, or HSPF. Think of HSPF like gas mileage for your heating season. The higher the number, the less electricity it burns to pull heat out of the cold air outside. The Payne PH8TAN5 comes in with an HSPF rating of 8.5. The Goodman GLZT7C lands a bit lower at an 8.1 HSPF. That means the Payne will run slightly more efficiently through the cold winter months, keeping your electric bill a little lower during peak heating season. For summer cooling, both units handle the load effectively using two-stage output, though the Payne gets you slightly better winter mileage. Under the hood, compressor and fan technology dictate how comfortable your living space feels. Both of these models feature a two-speed compressor. Unlike a basic single-speed unit that slammed on at 100% full capacity and cycled constantly, a two-stage compressor runs on a lower speed roughly 80% of the time. That gives you steady temperatures, lower humidity levels in the summer, and reduced wear and tear on the internal motor. However, there is a difference in their condenser fans. The Payne PH8TAN5 utilizes a standard single-speed outdoor fan motor paired with its two-stage compressor. Goodman steps it up on the GLZT7C by pairing its two-stage compressor with a two-speed condenser fan. That second fan speed lets the Goodman match outdoor airflow more precisely to compressor demand, which helps with overall comfort and system balance. When it comes to noise, sound levels matter when a unit is sitting right outside a bedroom window or patio. The Payne PH8TAN5 runs as low as 67 decibels. That noise level is roughly equivalent to a normal indoor conversation or a modern, quiet dishwasher running in the room next door. The Goodman GLZT7C has a published sound rating of 71 to 75 decibels, depending on tonnage. At 75 decibels, it sounds closer to a vacuum cleaner or a busy vacuuming room, making the Payne noticeably quieter out in the yard. Looking at who builds these systems, both come from solid parent companies. Payne is a brand manufactured by Carrier, and the PH8TAN5 is assembled in Carrier's Mexican production facilities. Goodman is owned by Daikin, with the GLZT7C manufactured in Goodman's massive production complex in Texas, USA. For real-world installed costs, prices depend heavily on your regional labor rates and ductwork setup. Current market research shows a Payne PH8TAN5 complete installation generally ranges between $8,500 and $11,500. The Goodman GLZT7C sits in a similar or slightly higher mid-tier bracket, typically running $9,500 to $13,500 installed. Warranty coverage is where Goodman makes a massive statement. The Payne PH8TAN5 offers a standard 10-year parts warranty and 10-year compressor coverage, but it does not include unit replacement coverage if the compressor dies. The Goodman GLZT7C comes out swinging. It gives you a 10-year parts warranty, a lifetime compressor warranty, and a 10-year unit replacement warranty. That unit replacement clause means if your compressor fails within the first 10 years, Goodman hands you a brand new outdoor unit, not just a replacement part. When giving my honest recommendation as a contractor, the clear winner here is the Goodman GLZT7C. While the Payne is quieter and slightly more efficient on paper, the Goodman gives you superior steel louver coil protection, a two-speed fan motor, and an unmatched warranty package, including lifetime compressor protection and a 10-year unit replacement guarantee. That level of long-term coverage and physical cabinet protection makes the Goodman the smarter investment for a homeowner.